Good, almost afternoon, 11 o'clock. I tried to sleep in, but I just took it slow this morning, so I'm a little late getting this done. And I just got out of the shower. I haven't shaved yet. I look like Doc from Back to the Future soon. I got this over here. I got this like little patch. Maybe I'll just let that grow out over here. Do that as a wraparound. I know you didn't come here for hair talk. Let me see. 146 yesterday. We're off to 16. I think I just accepted an offer. Person still hasn't paid. That's like a $40 payment outstanding. So let's get pulling. 136 in orders going out and 14 orders. And I didn't pull my airplane cards. Okay, got them pulled. When I pull, since the airplane cards stretch pretty much all over my basement, and the airplane photos are on the other side, I just take an old iPad. I think this is old. It's an iPad Air 2, so it's about 10 years old. Worked perfectly fine for pulling up eBay listings. I used to write down my inventory code and then go on a piece of paper, and then I'd go try to find that. And I can't read my own writing, so I'd always have to come back to the computer, and my eyesight's not good. And it just, what is this? B1. Oh, crap. Oh, I'm a mess already. When I went to pull the Disney card, it brought my divider with it. So that now means B1 and B2 are mixed together. So I'm going to do my best and guesstimate where it goes. Actually, the Continentals, I use the open top bin box. I usually store the Continentals along the side, because the open top bin boxes, they're only 6 inches wide, and Continentals don't fit in there very well. Defunct Disney. What was this? At Epcot, it was the Wonders of Life. Never heard of it. So there's that one and that one. What did I get for that? $10. Oh, did I forget to pull this one too? It didn't quite look like an airplane. It's Dublin Airport, and this guy bought it. I only have about 400 of those. Okay, I thought that this was kind of a cool postcard. You got the plane with the sled dogs. Kind of cool. And what else do we got? Lucy the elephant always sells for me. Always sells. And about $9. I always pick up Lucy if it's a buck or under, because she always sells. Finger goo, where are you? Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Love Scooby-Doo. That was my all-time favorite cartoon, Scooby-Doo, until frickin' Scrappy-Doo came about, and that's when, I don't know if Jump the Shark was invented yet, but as soon as they brought in Scrappy-Doo, it just was never the same. Jersey, Jersey, Jersey. The card stays are still selling. Again, I don't know if you can hear the printers, but all three have been running pretty much 24/7. Well, I run the last batch at like 11 at night. And I didn't get out of bed till like 8 or something this morning. But usually as soon as I get up, they're cranking again. Still got the backlog. And had these printed. they're anytime you go to a postcard show, you can there's usually like an information table where you can put, it's announcing the other postcard shows, stuff like that. So I thought I'd do one. Either do the QR code to order the website, and then for the older people who are not on the internet, my P.O. box is on there that people can actually send in checks or money orders. So anyway, those are available if you wish to order. Again, no pressure. Order a couple. Try them out. There's another box. I'm still working on the tub. I'm really close. Really, it's just I gotta do a little bit more, but just it's close. This will be pretty good as soon as I get it dialed in. Those freaking cards, because these are the worst for cards, just sliding all over the place. Very close. Probably after Christmas Day, but yeah, real close on that one. Okay. So what else? You're welcome, Jody. AF23. So AF, but there is another box besides the plastic one. They almost look like big lids, but let me go find one. There's a little girl with a dog, but this is a standard postcard box. It has the indents down there, but there's also these high-walled boxes. But I just discovered the card stay works in there. It's just it needs to be a little longer. So I may do a like a high wall box. There might be a chance that the cards slide under. I haven't tested it, but that's what those boxes are. Okay, let's continue. AG29. Probably the biggest thing today is I need to go figure out. I want to eat something. I want to eat out. I want to get something really, really bad for me. I kind of wish Boston Market was still. There's one like 45 minutes down the road, but I'm not traveling that far. But man, there used to be a Boston Market in town. Well, down in Frederick. Just so good tasting. That, and remember Chi-Chi's? I was seeing, like, it would come up every once in a while on Instagram that they were trying to revive the Chi-Chi's restaurants. And, like, he could be an investor. But, man, I love Chi-Chi's. Someone probably got this for a Christmas present. But then again, there's I would rather support local, and there's a really excellent Mexican restaurant. It's our go-to. They've been open, they were open pre-pandemic. And that's like our go-to, and we've never had a bad meal. The bad part is that every once in a while they'll forget something. But the food is incredible. So, but yeah, I need to eat something bad. I know I shouldn't. I know. This might take a while to find. These are almost all Garfield. Let me dig for this one. Garfield Santa. I was sending these Garfield postcard, like 2 a week, to my daughter when she was in college. And I thought for a second that I may have sent her that one, but I didn't. 26. I haven't listed. Haven't felt like doing much of anything. I still got to work on this hoarder basement. Might try to do that today after I go get some really bad food for me. Maybe some wings. Last card. I don't know. Sky's the limit. Well, I can go over it at the end, but my WhatNot lots are up for Ephemerama this weekend. 12. I only got a half-hour show, but I listed 17 items. I don't know why. Try to get through them. Oops. Hold on. And when I did that flip, which I shouldn't do because I almost ruined these cards. These are tuck oilettes, and those are punch out butterflies and moths. And by flipping, I almost punched them out, which would not have been good. Maybe 12. So don't do that. What am I doing? P31. Took an extremely hot shower this morning trying to break some of this up. I need to use, you can't see it, it's on the other side of that closet, but I have they call it a 2-person sauna, but it's a 1-person sauna. Got it right before I retired. I haven't used it. Oh, it's been a year plus since I used it, but I do enjoy getting in there. Probably should have gotten in there. That would have helped maybe break up, or just kind of make you, when you're all warm and toasty. But as the winter months go along, I need to use that. Last one, AZ14. And after I get this one out, we're only 12 minutes, so I'll probably be a 15-minute video. I'll show you my lots on WhatNot. Wow, right off the bat, there are those two. Okay, let's go over to WhatNot. I did a refresh and airplane card sold. So over on WhatNot, 17 lots, 8 real photos of the Eiffel Tower. I'm not going to blow these up. I'm just going over them. 24 wax museum postcards, 48 skiing, 40 Las Vegas, 30 fishing humor, 50 large letter, mostly chrome, 100 vintage playing cards and swap cards. Thought I'd get a little bit more for those when I had them in my last show. 50 bird's eye view and aerial view postcards, 50 street views, chrome and linen and earlier, some nice cards in there. 31 real photos from Canada, 60 space and rockets, 80 Japan, 100 restaurants, 122 dogs on postcards, 100 real photos, mix of U.S. and foreign and unknown, a pound of ships and boats, and over a pound, 18 ounces of mixed holidays greetings. Great for the crafter. So that's Ephemerama. I'm on at 8 o'clock Saturday, half-hour show. I should be able to get through those without too much of an issue. Knock on wood, currently no INRs. The last one, the dude messaged me like 11 days ago, said he hadn't received it, hadn't heard anything from him, and it hasn't shown delivered. It says it was last scanned in his state, and I just asked eBay to step in, and they closed it in. They give the buyer the refund. But I keep my money, and it's no foul against me. But I wanted that all cleared up. So right now, until probably 10 minutes from now, no INRs. So that's it. Hopefully I feel even a little bit more gooder tomorrow. And hope your sales are good. And we'll see you tomorrow. Cardstay.net.